Hey everyone, I'm Jolin, the foreign trade manager from Huayao CNC. Are you still struggling to find a right flat back cutters? Looking for a cutter that can handle all kinds of thick and rigid materials and also deal with complex custom designs? Then the Huayao ZC cutters are exactly what you need. These cutters are designed specifically for industrial productions. It helps you cut costs while maintaining the top-notch speed and positions. The machine comes in various bed sizes. The standard size is 1.6 by 2.5 meters, which is perfect for accommodating full-size sheets. It's an essential piece of equipment, industrial like signage, printing, and packaging. Whether it's a PVC foam board, corrugated sheets, or honeycomb board, it can cut them with ease. It can handle a wide range of tasks, from regular cutting to kiss cutting to rounding and grooving. How does it achieve such incredible accuracies? It's all thanks to the high-precision servo motor that controls its movement. The X and Y axis are belt-driven, and then the Z axis uses high-precision ball screws, minimizing the errors. Let's talk about the amazing features. The multifunctional machine has two mounting slots and a cube-shaped design. You can freely combine and install tools like the oscillating tools, drag knife tools, kiss cut tools, V-cut tools, rounder and creasing tools. Plus, the machine head is integrated with both a laser positioning systems and a high-precision camera registration systems, which significantly boosts production's efficiencies. With a moving speed of 1800 mm per second and a cutting speed of 1200 mm per second. It can even cut material up to 60 mm thick. It's also equipped with a 9 kilowatt vacuum suction pump, and the work table is divided into 8 vacuum zones. This ensures a strong suction force, which is great even with working with a small sheets. The software is powerful and easy to operate, giving you the maximum flexibility. We already sell a large number of digital cutting machines around the world. Our customers have seen a significant increase in productions and reduction in costs, and they are extremely satisfied. If you want to learn more about our digital cutting machine, don't hesitate to contact us. Bye bye.